Hi, son. Mommy's gonna make you smile, okay?
Come on. Let's see some smiles. Let's see some smiles. Let's see some smiles, little mushy guy. Let's see some smiles, little mushy man. My little mushy man. Oh, let's get in. Yeah, let's get inside that neck. There's water in there.
Smile.
Lots of water. Lots of water. Oh, look at that cute baby. Look at that cute baby. Yeah, what else do you have to say? Did you have fun at the playground today? Did you have fun at the playground? Huh? Did you have fun watching Madeline take her ballet class?
He's cute. You gonna giggle?
That's usually how I get him to giggle. You're just so cute. You're just so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Really? Is that so? Tell me more stories. What else? Yeah?